welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to show you how to make a burger. Now, burgers are generally made with meat. This one is made with all plants. It's totally plant-based. It's vegan. There are no animal products in this burger whatsoever. And you know, I got to give my husband a lot of credit. I have experimented on him so many times with various burger recipes just to be disappointed. This one here though is excellent. It's husband rated. It's a winner. So I hope you enjoy and let's get started. Alright, not only is this a burger recipe, it's easy, which is even better. Alright, simply gonna put a bunch of ingredients in the food processor, mix it up, make burger patties. That simple. We're going to start with a can of black beans, no salt added, which are drained. Cup and a half of cooked brown rice. Now if you have extra rice, you can just use that. I know it's really a good idea when you're busy with jobs and whatnot that batch cook your grains, because it just makes it so much easier. Alright, we've got some chopped onion. This is just the chopped onion you can buy in the spice aisle, because my husband and I are not big onion fans, so I just buy that, and that way it gets us flavor without big old chunks of onion. 6 tablespoons of rolled oats, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of tamari, which is a gluten-free soy sauce, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And we're just going to blend this until it's all combined really well. I'm just going to smoosh this down. That way it gets blended really well. Boy, I can smell it. All those flavors blending together. Oh my goodness. So good. Alright, I'm going to give this one more smoosh, one more blend, and then I'll be ready to put it into patties. Okay, this makes 8 patties. Form it into a burger patty, just like that. Cook it on the grill. You can put it in the oven at a 400-degree oven, 10 minutes each side. You can put it on a slow cooking grill. You can cook it indoors, outdoors. It's completely your choice. So it's really a pretty simple recipe and it's very delicious. Like I said, it's husband approved, and those of you who also enjoy making good food for your husbands will be glad to hear that. And I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.